Imagine creating something once and selling it forever without inventory, shipping, or customer service headaches. This is your complete no-fluff guide to starting a digital products business even if you have no money, no audience, and no experience. By the end, you'll know exactly what to sell, how to create it for free, where to sell it, and how to market it so you can make sales on autopilot. Digital products are the fastest, easiest, and most profitable way to make money online right now. Why? You create it once and sell it infinitely. No warehouses, no shipping, and thanks to AI tools like ChatGPT, you can make high-quality products for free in days, not months. And here's proof I've generated over $5 million selling digital products in just the last 2.5 years. So, what exactly is a digital product? It's anything you can sell online that doesn't require physical delivery. Think ebooks, templates, online courses, AI prompt packs, membership communities, or coaching programs. Platforms like Gumroad or School make delivery instant and automatic, and profit margins often hit 90% or more, unheard of in most businesses. Quick recap: you don't need a warehouse, you don't need shipping, and your product can be live in days. So, let's talk about how to find your winning idea. Finding your niche. Start with what you know, what you've done, or what you're passionate about. If you build a brand, teach branding. If you're great with AI tools, sell prompt packs. If you lost weight, sell a course or a fitness journal. And if you're stuck, browse Etsy, Gumroad, and School to see what's trending. Choosing your product type. There are three main money makers. 1. Low-ticket ebooks and guides, $17 to $150. 2. Mid-ticket online courses, yes, still highly profitable in 2026. 3. High-ticket communities, masterminds, or live group coaching. The golden rule? Niche down. Don't sell social media growth 101. Sell the Instagram Reel strategy that gained 100,000 followers in 30 days. Remember, the more specific you are, the easier it is to attract the right buyer. Now, let's actually create your product. Creating your digital product is ChatGPT to structure your knowledge into a beautiful ebook or guide. Design it with Canva, pick a ready-made template, customize it, and you're done. You can also host videos or walkthroughs using Loom or Screen Studio to over-deliver value. For your store, use Shopify's AI website builder. In minutes, you'll have a professional online shop ready to sell. Getting customers for free. List your product on Gumroad, School, or Kajabi. They already have millions of visitors. Write a compelling headline, list key benefits, and showcase testimonials. No audience yet? Post short-form content on Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube Shorts to build trust and drive clicks. So far, you've learned what to sell, how to make it, where to sell it, and how to get free customers. But here's the fastest model to start right now. The best beginner model: online coaching. Why? You only need a few clients to hit 5 figures a month, and you can work with anyone, anywhere in the world. Once you have results and testimonials, you can scale into group coaching, courses, and memberships, all from your laptop. This is the easiest time in history to sell digital products. Start today, and you could be running a business with 90% profit margins, global reach, and zero shipping hassles. If you found this valuable, hit like, subscribe, and check the description for free tools to help you start selling digital products now.